Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jillian and I'm going to be doing a really cute makeup look for you today for my going away party. You may be wondering where I'm going away to, but I just quit my job, so as you know, first I'm going to start with my eyebrows using Urban Decay Brow Plate. And I'm standing here in my new bathroom. As I told you guys, I haven't had a bathroom for like 3 months because this has been getting remodeled. Okay, well these are my eyebrows for now, just because I've been working on them forever and I'm kind of just over-obsessing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and move on to eyeshadow because we're going to be doing a lot of colors, so I'm going to get started because I'm probably going to have to cover it with some face makeup when I'm done. Alright, so first I'm going to be doing the Fetish Kat Von D palette because I want to use the shade Sex. And it's like that orange shade right there. So yeah, we're using some color today, which I don't think you guys have seen me ever do. Usually it's just pretty basic. Alright, so we got some of that on. I'm going to go a little darker. Alright, so now I'm getting this Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to use this yellow color called Brick Road. And I'm just kind of going over and blending in this orange with this yellow. I'm wearing tonight, it has like obviously orange and yellow, and then it also has green. Alright, so this is both the orange and the yellow. So I don't know, what should I do the green? If I did do it, it'd be from this 911 Q palette, and it would be this neon green. So this one looks yellow anyway, so it can't really harm it that much. I'm just gonna do a little like that. Okay, so I added some of the green to the corner. Okay, so here's my shadow for tonight. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and do some cover up, and I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and this is shade 5. Alright, so I just wet my beauty blender. I'm gonna just apply some of the product on there. And I already moisturized my face as soon as I got out of the shower and did my whole skincare, so we're ready for this. Alright y'all, so next I'm going to be contouring with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Cream Palette. So I'm going to start with my nose. Alright, so that's where I'm going to place my contour at. And then now we'll just go ahead and blend it. Okay, so for those of you first time viewers, how I blend is I just do one motion. As you can see, that's the upward motion. I'm going to go ahead and add some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I know my hair looks freaking awful. We're going to go ahead and do it like so. Yeah, so I'm so excited for my going away party. We'll see who shows up. Okay, so got our concealer blended. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner with the Master Precise All Day by Maybelline. Okay, so here's our eyeliner. That's good enough because we're going to put on lashes anyway, so it doesn't need to be like 100% even, but it is pretty even. Alright, I'm going to put on some white eyeliner right now. Just hold that so it will stay. Alright y'all, so we got our hair basically done. Now I think my next step I'm going to do is some blush. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my blush with the Adeline Marine palette from Tarte. And use the I Feel Beautiful brush, or blush. I'm going to highlight using the same palette, the Promise Ring. So there is that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put on a little bit of mascara because we're going to do some lash. Oh, so this mascara is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. Alright, so I put on a little bit of that mascara. Now I'm just gonna curl the top lashes. Alright everybody, so these are the Eyeshadow London lashes, and I believe they're called Summer May. I'll get back to you on the exact name, but Eyeshadow, and I got them at Target. Alright, so they're called something May. I can't really remember, but yeah, they're a little dramatic. It's okay, we're doing a little event tonight, so cool. Now I'm gonna put on some bottom lash just to make these match. I don't know, they better be. Okay. Studio Fix and in shade, I don't know, MC25, whatever that is called. So, got on our powder. And I think that is essentially it for our look. Oh yeah, guys, so I got some bangs. I didn't completely finish styling them, but you can kind of see them now. Now I'm just gonna finish off putting on this e.l.f. Coconut Setting Mist. Alright, so thank you for watching my channel. Here's our finished look. If you have any comments, please comment them below and stay tuned for my next video.